On Simplifying Robotics today, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to write a short program on your VEX robot. The first thing we have to do is to connect our robot to our Dell laptop. So you click here, when you see the 6-arm icon, connect arm, you say continue. Then we're gonna see the one we have it here. My one is the first one, so we're gonna just test here. Yeah, so that's the first one. Connect. One way to do it before we start moving it is you can click here in the icon and then you go to move to save position. That is already taught position in your VEX robot. And on the right here, you'll be able to jog the robot arm. So there are two ways here. You can jog coordinate system, remember? Or the easy way, you go to enable manual mode. Your robot's gonna free the brakes and then you can manually jog it to the position you want. Okay? To write our program, the first line has to be the robot speed here in this case. I would just have it 50% for safety, and of course is the first time I'm running this program. I also have a magnet tool attached to my robot arm. So I'm also gonna add that here. So we're gonna go to set arm end of effect to magnet. That's the one, okay? So from there, we're gonna write a few steps. So I'm gonna go again, manual mode. So let's say that's the position I want. We need to hold it because again, all the brakes are released. Then you see here, add move to block to workspace. You click there. So we save that position for us. It's that simple. So you drag and drop. Then we move again. I want to move here. Where is my part? Okay, again, we drag and drop. Now we need to activate the tool, the magnet. So also simple. You see here, set arm magnet engage. Then I just want move to move here. Again, we add the move. It's like teaching a point. Drag and drop. Let's run our program. We're gonna press run here in the top right, just beside our robot icon. So you press run. And that's how simple it is to write a program on your VEX robot.